You are going to love this delicious SwissRoll recipe. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this SwissRoll cake. I'm going to be dropping all the measurements in the description. So my eggs are already separated and I've already added my baking powder to my flour, which is the dry ingredient, and I have my evaporated milk, and I have my vegetable oil. Then this is my sugar, and I'm going to be using industrial flavor for this recipe. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to go over with my vegetable oil and my evaporated milk. Then I'm just going to be adding few drops of my industrial flavor. So after mixing for a few minutes, I'm just going to be adding my dry ingredients to this. Then I'm going to just mix a little, don't over mix. Then after mixing it, I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to whisk the egg yolk, then add it to my mixture. As you can see, I'm just mixing everything together. So I don't want this video to be too long. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to mix my egg white and my sugar together till it thickens.
Cake so fluffy, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So I'm going to be adding my egg white and my sugar mixture to the flour mixture. Then I'm going to mix it together. This recipe is very simple, but it's very delicious and you are going to love it. So I'm going to be preparing my baking tray. You are going to be using baking tray for this recipe. I spread in my parchment paper on it. Then I'm going to be spreading my batter on this. Spread it evenly on your baking tray. So you are just going to be baking this on medium low heat for at least 30 minutes is okay. You have to monitor it so that it doesn't get burned. So after 30 minutes, I brought it out. You can see this is how it is. So I'm going to just allow this to cool for about 5 minutes. It should not be too cool. Then I'm going to transfer it into my baking rack. Note, I'm using my baking rack for this. Then I'm just going to be removing the edge. So I just transferred it to my baking rack now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to start spreading my whipped cream. If you don't know how to make whipped cream, you can check some of my recipes on how to make whipped cream. So I'm just going to be spreading my whipped cream on it, then I'm going to be trimming out those edges because it's a Swiss roll cake and I'm going to be rolling it. So if you don't trim out those edges like I'm doing now, you are not going to be able to roll it properly. So you are just going to be trimming out those edges so that you'll be able to roll your Swiss roll. Moreover, that is why it's called Swiss roll. So after spreading my whipped cream on it evenly, I'm just going to be rolling this out. You are going to be very careful with this. If not, it's going to break out. So you can see how I'm doing it. Just watch the video and follow my steps.
So sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the.
So after rolling it out, you are just going to be adding extra. This is optional though. You're just going to be adding extra whipped cream on the top. So, but it is optional. It's not compulsory.
Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So after that, you're just going to be cutting your Swiss roll. So this is how to make Swiss roll. Simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment.
In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.